What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we got this Nissan LB Super Silhouette S15 Silvia with this auto finesse livery right here for MiniGT. And this is actually our second Silvia in the collection. If you guys remember, a few days ago, I did a video on the iconic white and yellow drift car. And today we've got this, the second so-called release of the same car with a different decal. And I'm super excited about this. I think it's an amazing vehicle. I got this from my friend Amirul here in the Hot Wheels Diecast community in Singapore. And I'm really grateful for him because he really hooked us up with an amazing deal on this. So yeah, I actually opened up the seal on this. Obviously, it's, you know, you're gonna get that out of here, and we're gonna dive right into the vehicle because obviously the box, you guys know MiniGT boxes, they're all the same boxes. Nothing much for me to keep on going through again and again. And check it out, you guys can already see that blue and the white complements each other really nicely, and you guys are gonna see what I mean in a bit. And there you have it, guys, the Nissan LB Super Silhouette S15 Silvia in this amazing paint job. And I think, to be slightly honest, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is way better. It looks way more menacing than the original S15 drift car that we did in a few videos. I'm gonna link that video in the description below. So you can also find it at the top here, somewhere. I think it was at the start of the video. But yeah, okay. So first impressions, I think really amazingly done. You know, I am in a loss of words because I really do not know how to express my excitement or appreciation for this. Because I want to point this thing out. Look at their wheels. Look at how close they've kept it to the body and still make the wheels work. And I mean, that shows that, you know, they've managed to kind of lower the car up to a level where it's very nice. And I think this is something they deserve appreciation for, because I mean, Hot Wheels, they can't do this. I mean, they've never been able to pull this off. But I think MiniGT has done an amazing job. Just look at that. Just look at that. Even the front, it's amazing. All right, let's just begin with the car. So irregardless, we've got the UK flag right there. We've got 99 written right here, which is a very nice number. It's also one of my favorite numbers because I'm born in 99. And then we've got auto fitness right there. A bunch of decals at the bottom. We've got LBWK right here, Nankang, as well as Rodiform, is it? And then obviously we've got something else written here, which I believe is this auto finesse, right? It's also at the sides. It's also at the side right here. The wheel speed amazing with these 5-spoke blue rims. They look amazing. They really add a lot of character and flavor to this car. Obviously, we've got this amazing sick silhouette body kit right here, as you guys can see, with these extended fenders in the rear, these extended fenders in the front, as well as this huge amazing speedo at the front, from there we actually go onto the front of the vehicle. Obviously, here we've got the plastic, you know, the iconic plastic headlight temples right there, and over here we've got the amazing front splitter with the Nissan logo. Obviously we've got identity right there, LBWK right here as well, auto finish right there, Rodiform right here, 99, and the Great Britain flag right there. Obviously it says S auto finish right there as well, and Nissan at the rear. And then from here on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same design, exactly the same decals, but I just take a moment to appreciate the awesomeness. And guys, before we continue, I just want to point out to you, do you see the roll cage in this? The roll cage is painted blue to match the entire car, and I think that's attention to detail, or a very small attention. I mean, look at the roll cage, it's very small right here, right? It's just that bit right there, and obviously in the front you can see a little bit as well. But the fact that they painted it blue to make it kind of stick out from the black interior just shows you how much effort and thought they put into this car, and it's really amazing. I'm super pumped to have this in my collection. Obviously with the same as the previous car, the only difference between the right and the left side of the car is on the left side we have the side exhaust that comes up right here, if you guys can see, which is this exhaust manifold, exhaust pipe right there, and it comes up from the side. That's about it. And then if you move on to the rear of the vehicle, obviously we've got this amazing what do you call this, diffuser, sorry about that. And obviously we've got a HGA right there. We've got plastic rear light temples as well, I believe. They look kind of plastic to me. And obviously the Nissan spoiler right there. All in all, I think it's an amazing car. Let's just look at the base. Even the base is detailed. Come on, I mean, you gotta appreciate that, right? So just let me know in the comments below if you guys like this car, if you guys prefer this over the other. I think it's amazing. I think MiniGT has done an amazing job once again. But just like I guess we're gonna do a few ring shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing time unboxing this card. It's going to insanely by my collection. So obviously you guys remember this. You remember this, and I also remember why I told you I put it this way. What we're going to do is we're going to put this beside the original S15. So obviously that's a drift car. This I think is not. So let me just put it right there. Oh no, sorry. Wrong direction. Right there. Just like that. Oof. It's looking really amazing. I'm super excited, super pumped to this. Once again, massive shout out to Sam Wong for the insane hookups on these display cases. These are acrylic display cases. Obviously, I don't glue them because I might have to interchange them in the near future. But this is just gonna go ever so slowly right there. And let me show you the final product. So obviously, we've got two S15s from MiniGT. This the Formula Drift from Formula Drift Japan, and obviously this to the Auto Fitness livery. Let me know in the comments below how you guys like it. I think this is absolutely killing it. I think it's a knockout of the park. Amazing castings. But just like I guess this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.